Hello everyone, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. I'm Tanya if you're new, and today I want to welcome you to Vlogmas. And this month I will be uploading holiday and Christmas related content, things to decorate the house. I'm not a big decorator. I like to add touches of the holiday, around the house, in strategic areas. And so I'll just be doing little decorating touches. We're going to do some gifts, and we're also going to do a little cooking. Okay, so every day I'm going to upload something to get us, closer to the holidays. We're empty nesters. We're older, so I still like to decorate. And also, I'm challenging myself just to use Dollar Tree items. I've shopped all around all these different stores, and Dollar Tree has just as good as stuff for like season. I don't like to spend a lot on seasonal stuff. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use what I have already. If I need to buy something else, it's going to be from Dollar Tree. All right, so let's get started. I'm doing a kitchen vignette or a beverage station, you can call it. We'll decide what we're going to call it when I'm done. Here's this tray I got from Ross about 5 years ago. This is the only thing that didn't come from Dollar Tree, but Dollar Tree has some trays. You can use one of those plastic trays that they have, platters. Use that. And I like to have stuff out like this, cups during the holidays. You can just, if you just want to grab a quick drink, just quick cup. You don't have to go through all these different changes. Go all up in the cabinet. You have guests over, they'll feel good about just, grabbing something that's out. This cutlery, what is this, charcuterie type board. This is a cheese board I got from Dollar Tree last year, I think, maybe 2 years ago. And as you know, I like things pretty and functional. I want it to be functional first, and then I add the decor. And so I'm gonna, right here, let's see, we're gonna put napkins right here. No. Put the little centerpiece right there. That came from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. This Dollar Tree. And I have this little mimosa cup here with the tree motif. Put some candy canes in there. Let me move this. And then I'm gonna put this beverage dispenser. I did a haul on this a while back. And so this came from Dollar Tree. So you can put water in there, just have a watering station. Have a place I can get some napkins, get a cup. Let's keep that back. And then I'm going to add these clear deer. Got those from Dollar Tree. These are like, I don't know if I guess they're not really ornaments. They're tabletop decor. Okay, I like that. You always see at least 2 deer together. Okay, so then that's all we need to do. So it's pretty, it's functional. So what we have here, we have our cups, our dispenser, some napkins, get a little candy cane, and let's see. And guess what? And I got this punch. I got this punch from Dollar Tree. So let's see how this will work. Dispenser holds a lot, so you probably need 2 of these to fill it all the way up. So if you have kids over, or anybody, they can just come right here. You see, I already have some cups open. Dark over here. Okay, isn't that cute? Okay, so you have a nice little station here. Yeah. Let me see if this item will work. Let's see, because I was going to put this on the bar cart. So you get a nice heavy pedestal. Let's see how this works. Probably have to get rid of that. Okay, yeah, that's too high. So we'll just get a smaller pedestal. I don't have anything I can readily get to, but you guys get the idea. Let's see if we can get a cake stand that's a little shorter. Something like that. I think that's a good idea. Something like that. One of those clear bowl. Yeah, see, that's perfect. You can put some glue dots on there to keep it. If I can find one of my clear, I have some clear bowls you get from Dollar Tree, and that's all it needs, just a little elevation. You can easily get your drink, get my drink out of here. So that's how you do that. I'm going to recommend get that clear bowl from Dollar Tree. Never tried this punch before. It's good. And hang on just a moment. Okay, now in honor of Vlogmas, I got this like an advent calendar thing from Dollar Tree. It's called the 12 socks of Christmas. So each day you go in there, you get a sock, and it's by Sockopath. And I've done 2 videos already and had some technical issues. So I'm going to show you the 2 socks that I've already. So I won't be uploading those videos because I have a new camera and I'm still trying to learn it. So I messed up. So day 1 is this one. This sock came through is you don't know me. Gnomies. The gnomes, because this has a gnome on there. So these are cute. All right, and then the second one, and you just each day, and so I pulled one out. This is today's sock. Today's sock, it says it's lit. It's lit because it had the little Christmas lights on here. These are cute. I would wear these. I wear socks. So each day when I pull one of these out, this is going to be my sock of the day. All right. So far we have you don't know me. You don't know me. And it's lit. Okay, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in and stay tuned for my next video. And I appreciate your support. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers tribe. And hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you, guys. See you in my next video. Bye. All Dollar Tree. That punch is good. Let me give you a close-up.